Hello, welcome to the Crown Lounge. And I would like to say this your first time, keep coming back. And if you keep coming back, I appreciate you, right? So, I found this recipe on the Tito's website. It's called a Tito's Pineapple Refresher, right? So I want to make sure we use Tito's, and I'm sure you can use other vodkas for this recipe. But we're going to use Tito's. We're going to stick to what they say do, kind of, but let's get started. All right, first thing first is the Tito's, right? We got to go 1.5 ounces of Tito's vodka. Again, I think you can make it with any vodka you want to, but we're going to stick to Tito's. Next, we're going to go 2 ounces of guava puree, and I almost wasted before I did it. So this is going to be a very tropical, refreshing cocktail, I believe. All right, next we're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of some freshly squeezed lime juice. Just 3/4 of an ounce. It smells good already. Next, we're going to do 1/2 ounce of an agave syrup. Maybe. Just 1/2 ounce. It's going to be a good sweet drink. Next, we're going to go just 1/2 ounce. There's my pineapple juice. Just 1/2 ounce of an orange liqueur. You can use whatever orange liqueur you want, triple sec you want or whatever. I'm just going to use some simple orange liqueur because I've never used this before and I've had it forever. And last, that fell, is we're going to go 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Just 1 ounce. Give this a, so this is a pretty thick one, right? So this may work well just shaking it. Get a good mix before we put a little ice in. Smells really, really good. Give this a good mix to help chill it. Get the strainer. Got us a big, because there's a lot of alcohol, I mean a lot of mixture, right? So a nice big glass. And there you have it. A Tito's Pineapple Refresher. Cheers. A nice drink to sit by the pool, wherever you're doing relaxing. It'd be good making in a big bunch, right? To, you know, for parties at the house. It's a really good drink. I like it. I mean, it's sweet, but flavor-wise, the flavors go together wise. Like I said, it's a good tropical drink. But anyway, don't forget to like, follow, or share. Until next time, cheers.